In this video I'm going to show you how to rewind the string trimmer line on this Dewalt string trimmer. First thing to do is cut off a new piece of 080 string trimmer line. Make sure there's no string trimmer line left in your string trimmer head. To do that you can remove this cap. It's really easy. Find the button on this side and then there's one on the corresponding side. Push them in and then the cap pops off. We can confirm that there is no string trimmer line left in here. To put this back on, line everything back up, hook it back on. Make sure it's secure. To thread string trimmer line, make sure this line here is lined up with the line on the rest of the string trimmer head, like right here. Let's try one last time and then I'm done if this doesn't work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because I can't get this threaded through, and you should be able to just thread it all the way through, is going to pull this out, take the cap off, pull the spool off, and I'm going to thread it through this eyelet here and put it back down. You shouldn't have to take that off, then we can just pull half of it through. With half of it on one side we can then rewind the head, so we're going to hold this base plate down here still, and we're going to turn this clockwise, and that's going to pull the string trimmer line in. I didn't quite leave half on either side, but that's how to rewind the string trimmer line on a Dewalt 20 volt string trimmer.